Hi UA Trading. So today was a decent day from a charting perspective. I took two contracts short in the ES and made $500. But today was also a very big day for me from a psychological standpoint. I know I've been talking about this a lot, but I feel like today I've finally taken the final step in my trading journey and I've passed the final hurdle. I've looked at my stats, I've spoken to people I'm close with, and I realized that the only thing really holding me back is trading when I'm emotional. I've got a 0% win rate when I take emotional trades. I've not won any emotional trade. And when I lose huge amounts. And I've known this for a while, but today, it really clicked. And I feel like today, I'm not going to say from now on it's going to be blue skies and sunshine, but I'm definitely heading in the right direction. And I think that part of me is behind me. I've overcome this struggle that I've been having. So we'll break down the charts. You'll see how my thought process was so different to yesterday, and hopefully, I can keep moving forwards. I can keep it going in this trajectory, and hopefully, it will be all green days from here. So let's get into the charts and break this day down.
So right now I'm kind of in two minds because obviously I was talking about going long, but obviously oh my god, this arrow's killing me. Uh, we trended up, had some sort of like sideways price action before continuing up, and now it seems like we're doing the opposite. So we're going down and we're having a bit of sideways price action. So does this mean we're going to continue down after negotiating this high volume node? Or does it mean this will act as support? I'm not really convinced either way. I'd like to be going short somewhere around here, and then hoping, well, not hoping but expecting a move down to the 45.40, because that'd be a good 6-7 point trade. But for now I'm really in two minds about this move. Yeah, I'm going short here, with obviously target at around 40. Obviously here it's 38.75. I'm just going to let this run, and whatever happens happens. So voiceover Sam here. I'm really glad I stuck to my plan of not looking at the chart and letting the trade run, because as you'll see, price runs down and gets within a tick of hitting my take profit. And I know that as it's pulling back now, I would have stopped out because I'd have gotten scared or whatever. So I'm glad I wasn't in front of the chart. I let it run as long as it needed to, and there you have it, $500. And with that, here are the stats for the challenge so far. So my win rate is now a measly 53%, so a bit better than yesterday. 10 wins, 9 losses, 1 break even. 1 day win streak. My average win has gone up a bit, so I'm at 280, but it's still $100 less than my average loss, so that kind of sucks. My total progress to target is still negative, as is my balance. I'm at minus $684.70 with fees. So obviously the stats still aren't looking great, but I'm really optimistic that this will turn around and we will reach our target for the challenge. So with that, let's run the outro.
So today is what I would consider a model day. I was patient, I was diligent, I respected my strategy, and it all paid off. I want to say that today is kind of an awakening, but I want to say also that this awakening is maybe around 2 weeks late. 2 weeks ago, a few Wednesdays ago, I lost a lot of money, and I lost even more than that. And the consequences of that are still present today, but I can't be looking back. The past is already written, but the future is an open book. So I want to always be looking forwards, and that's really what I was doing today. I'm looking at where I want to be, who I want to be, and that really is motivating. That is what is driving me forward. And now that I've kind of had that realization, that switch has been flipped, I can just move forward, and I can keep on winning and no more emotions. So I want to thank you all for watching. I feel like today was a big day for me. I want to also thank you for all your support on the YouTube, the Instagram, whatever. If you could like and subscribe, I'd obviously really appreciate that. And hopefully I'll see you in tomorrow's market prep and tomorrow's 100-day challenge.